可以，我杀。
可以了哈。
下一个，
Okay. Hey guys, Paul checking in with you, and today I'm at 473D Hougang ParkEdge. So this is a beautiful place. I love it when I was walking in this naturally, a lot of fresh air, greenery, the serenity, the tranquility, and I'll show you the priceless view in a moment. Okay, so right now where we are at is the door will open out into this kitchen. So it's an open concept kitchen, and you would be able to see that the owner has actually put in a lot of thought, and in terms of the color scheme, it is tasteful, but yet it's not in your face. It's I would say it's very classic, and it blends in, with a lot of wood accents, and of course it's like with this open concept kitchen whereby you can always relax over here, and then have your coffee, have your morning breakfast, and it just feels like in a very harmonious environment, isn't it? So it makes you wanna just chill and take your time and really relax in your own home, right? So about this kitchen, okay, so you can see that it's really spacious, and it has the three cooker hobes as well, and with a nice yard area where you don't even actually need to put your laundry outside, right? It's spacious enough, with the overhead rack, and you can actually do your laundry over here, right? So again, it's very seamless, and as we go into the living room area, okay, over here. Yeah. So this living room area, I would say that the best vantage point would actually be from around here, okay, where we are overlooking just now what I told you, the Punggol Park. And this is part of the Park Connector network, okay, where you will see, meandering waters, and in terms of if let's say you like cycling, you can bring the whole family, or if it's just you yourself, you want a night ride, on your Brompton, feel free. So this is a fantastic base for you to start, and also amenities nearby as well, right? So there's a NTUC just across to the street, and you actually get it's just actually 3 bus stops away from the Hougang MRT as well. Lots of buses and lots of amenities, and access to malls as well, right? So I'll show you the living room. Yeah. So as you can see, there's a lot of communal space. If you invite friends and family over for drinks, and over here is a very nice feature wall, very seamless, integrated, where you can actually watch football matches, sing and chat, a lot of laughter, a lot of joy in the house. So this is what you can expect with such unblocked greenery view. And actually all the windows over here, later we'll see in the rooms, all share the nice open view. So it brings in a lot of natural light into the house, right? Are you ready to take a look at the rooms? Come on. So I guess, you would be looking at this kind of lifestyle where these days, post-COVID, we are looking at working from home as well. So this is also a comfortable home office, okay? Or if you have kids, this can be their study room, playroom, even let's say you want it to be your gym room, feel free, okay? So it's a multi-purpose room over here, right? So you can see that it's nicely all done up for you, okay? So yeah, basically all the storage will be here, and this is free wall space, so it's up to you to redesign it if you really want to. If not, I would say that actually this house is already perfectly designed to suit your needs, to suit your lifestyle, right? So everything is all tastefully done, and as I was saying, that it all shares the same view, the nice greenery view like the hall. Okay, I'll show you the next room. So this one, especially I think all the ladies would love it. So this is a walk-in wardrobe, right? A walk-in closet, right? So it basically occupies the whole room, Okay, of course, this is also multifunctional. Okay, if you want to reinstate it, you can still reinstate it into a proper wardrobe as well, and this can still function as your as an additional bedroom. Okay, but right now it's been configured as a walk-in wardrobe for you. Okay, and again, there's a lot of natural light and breeze, and I can still hear the birds chirping just outside the window. Okay, and we will go to the master. Okay, so everything about the house has been seamlessly integrated, and a lot of careful thought has been put into customizing doors, in terms of the island, you know, everything. So I would say that, of course, the master bedroom, you keep it just nice and simple, okay, and it's brightly lit as well, so it's very cozily done, right? As you can see over here. So of course, you want to chill out, watch Netflix, you know, you can do so. This would be the vanity. Yep. And I'll show you the master as well. Yeah. So for the master room, master bathroom, so this has been tastefully done, almost like a very atas kind of hotel feel, right? And of course, you know, we all love to have a nice shower stall, okay, where you can, you know, have a rain shower, and you don't need to wet your bathroom, right? Because most HDBs, you don't really enjoy shower stalls, you know, it's always, you know, a wet bathroom, right? So over here, you can enjoy it, okay? And even for the second bathroom as well, okay, it's all been nicely renovated, and the renovation is really, really new and very carefully maintained. Yeah, so you can take a look over here. Yeah, of course, it's not as luxurious, but this is also very tastefully done. Yeah, so all in all, I would say that, you know, if you like what you see, if you think that, you know, you value your personal space, you want that kind of greenery, you want to chill out, relax at home, come home and really enjoy peace and quiet, this will be it, because I can assure you that there is no road sound. This is a unique, very rare greenery facing. You're not like facing the road, okay, and you're in your own corner, so which means you have extra privacy. You don't have like your neighbor next to you on that side. Yeah, so connect with me now and I'll show you the house. Thank you.